Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we're looking at some ladies' garden gloves. These are size 6. These were bought from Lidl. I noticed they're using that brand lately, the OK Text Standard 100. Feel okay. I mean, these aren't heavy duty gloves. It's handy. You get 2 pairs. I don't think they were particularly expensive, but there's no point me trying them on. I'm a big men's hands, but they feel okay. I like the fact that they've got these rubber gripped, so you can handle wet pots. And of course, this is elasticated, giving you a little bit more comfort. Not much really. Not much else to say. We've got this nice flower pot design, which is handy. It's a difficult thing actually. I mean, men's gloves are quite easily available, but I think ladies' garden gloves are a little bit more difficult. But these can be found at, as I say, Lidl. I don't think they're going to last long, but they're certainly, you know, for the price, if you get a season out of a couple of pairs, well, that's pretty good value. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.